What's going on YouTube? It's your guy KashDaKoolDad back again with another video. This time is a how do I maintain my POVs. Again, same video, different products, different things. Let's groove. Hope y'all enjoy this video because I enjoy doing these videos for y'all. As y'all can see, the Cash Fortress is up on step 1. I got a few more steps I'm gonna do to it, so y'all stick with me. And if y'all like what y'all see, subscribe, comment, share this to everybody. Y'all know what we doing. We grooving, baby. Here you go. Look at all the pollen on this thing. Pollen and dust. Pollen and dust. Y'all know Cash can't groove like this. Pollen and dust. Pollen and dust, guys. There we go. Might have some shiny lights and stuff hanging around. Closing it off soon. Y'all stick with your boy. Y'all stick with your boy, because your boy's sticking with y'all. But yeah, man. I'm going there. Get Mrs. Cash together. Oh yeah, shout out to that watch, you did. That's for you, Mike T. Yeah, man, let me go on and do what I gotta do. Bam. I tried to do it real fast. Well, I did do it real fast, YouTube, because I mean I was losing daylight, so I came out, I did what I had to do. I used some Pro Reset to reset the paint, the coating on it. And from the Pro Reset, shout out to Pac doing the drying. And longevity on the wheels and on the tires. I have a coating on the rims. So like I said, the Pro Reset just reset the whole shebang so that it looked like this. And then after resetting it, y'all know I came through and topped it with some Resist. Shout out to Resist. Golly, look at that. Yeah, I did Resist, man. I did Resist. That was the #1 thing last year, so I brought it back. This thing here look good, man. I ain't gonna even lie to you. So, yeah. I have on my glove. You know, no glove, no love. So you know I had to put on the glove to get some love. But yeah, man, I like it, man. You can see that. Look good. Alright, YouTube. KashDaKoolDad, we have Pac. Shout out to Pac for helping today. He did the longevity, he cleaned the wheels, so the wheels was all on him. So if y'all enjoyed this video, like my son told y'all last video, make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and share that to everybody in the world. It's your guy KashDaKoolDad, and there we go, we deucing.